I have a brother, he lost a job and he told me, my brother, I want to get back at these people. I know a lot about them and I really want to nail them. And I told him, my brother, instead of nailing people, you'd rather concentrate on yourself. Make dua to Allah. Ask Allah, turn to Allah. He says, but I've been asking Allah for so many years for an increment and instead He's given me the loss of a job. Do you trust Allah's plan? That's the question. I said, brother, you know what? Consider this. If you're holding tight to a few coins with one hand and Allah wants to give you 2 handfuls of gold coins, the first thing He needs to do is to make you open this hand so that these coins go, or at least your hands are now opened. In the process, you might lose these coins. Make dua, bear patience. Don't ever leave Allah at the time of your hardship. And you know what? Subhanallah, this man suddenly struck gold.